everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we'll be installing our new luggage rack on the CB500X. Included in this kit, you got your luggage rack, your left and right mounting brackets, and your hardware set. To complete this installation, you'll need a fine Phillips head screwdriver, a number 5 and number 6 Allen wrench, 12mm socket and ratchet. The installation process for the luggage rack can easily be done on your side stand or center stand, but for this demonstration, we're going to do it with a spike on the left. You want to start by unlocking and removing the seat. We're going to start off by removing the two side rails. I'm going to first remove this little plastic body pin here. Gently loosen it up with your Phillips head screwdriver. It should just pop right out. We'll set that one aside because you will be reusing it. Next, you use your 12mm socket to loosen and remove the two bolts holding the rear mounts. These two bolts will not be reused in the new installation. And finally, with your 5mm Allen, you want to remove this front bolt. And again, this bolt will not be reused. And you just lift it up and pull away from the bike. You want to start by identifying the left and right side brackets for the bike. When we say left and right side, we identify it as the rider sits on the bike. So this bracket here, how it goes back towards the back and it's angled towards the back, is going to be your rider's left-hand side bracket. Now we're going to install the left side bracket. Go ahead and put the bracket into place. You want to put it against the bike frame, and then the grab rail goes on top of that. And then secure with the supplied bolt and washer. Then you put in the body pin in the middle mount. At the front mounting point, you want to slide the supplied spacer in between the bracket and the frame on the bike, and then install the longer, thinner bolt that came with the kit. And secure that point with your 5mm Allen. And then secure the rear two mounting points with your 6mm Allen. Once all the bolts are secure, go ahead and repeat the process on the right-hand side. Now we're ready to install the rack onto the CB500X. Now go ahead and slide the brace for the luggage rack into place. You want to go in between this little nub here and the bracket. It slides right in, and then secure it with one of the supplied bolts and lock washers. Now repeat the process on the right-hand side. Go ahead and make sure all the bolts are fully tightened, and then go ahead and put your seat back on your bike. Now your National Cycle luggage rack is fully installed. You're ready for your next adventure. Simple basic hand tools in about 15 minutes of your time, and you're ready to go down the road. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the ride.